Good morning, children. How are you? Fine? Now I see your smiling faces. Good. Good. You have listened to a very interesting story, right? Yes. You have seen the pictures of the stories. Good. Let us try to understand the formation of a letter. Now we come to the next activity. જો તમે હવે એક પત્ર જોવાનો છે એને બરાબર સાંભળશો અને તમારી સ્ક્રીન ઉપર એ લેટર આવશે. પણ એ લેટર આપણે કેવી રીતે લખવો એ તો જાણી લઈએ, રાઈટ? તો નાવ વી see how to write a letter. There is a formation of the letter on your screen. જુઓ, સૌથી પહેલા ડાબા હાથ તરફ on the top of the page you see the name of the writer અને એની સાથે એનું એડ્રેસ આવશે. તો તમે જો પત્ર લખો તો તમારું નામ, તમારું એડ્રેસ અને એની નીચે યુ હેવ ટુ રાઇટ ધી ડેટ. તો આજે કઈ તારીખ છે? હા, તો આજની તારીખ. દેન આપણે જેને પત્ર લખવાના છીએ ને એનું સંબોધન, સેલ્યુટેશન આવશે. તમે પપ્પાને લખતા હો તો કહી શકો માય ડિયર ફાધર. મમ્મીને કહેશો માય ડિયર મધર. ફ્રેન્ડને લખતા હો તો તમે એમ પણ કહી શકો માય ડિયર મીના, માય ડિયર રાહુલ, જે તમારા મિત્રનું નામ હોય તે. એકલું નામ પણ લખી શકો કારણ કે તમારા એ મિત્ર છે. તો ડિયર મીના. ત્યાર પછી તમારે જે એમને કહેવું હોય એ તમારે વાત બધી વ્યવસ્થિત રજૂ કરવી પડશે, લખવી પડશે. તો એ પેરેગ્રાફની અંદર તમે તમારી બધી જ વસ્તુને મૂકી શકો. સો રાઇટ ધી કન્ટેન્ટ. ધેટ પાર્ટ ઇઝ કન્ટેન્ટ. વિષય વસ્તુ તમે જે કહેવા ઈચ્છો છો તે એ અલગ અલગ પેરેગ્રાફમાં લખી શકાય. છેલ્લે પછી આપણે એને એન્ડિંગ એવી રીતે કરશું. જુઓ, યોર અથવા યોર્સ એમ પણ કહી શકાય. ફ્રેન્ડ અને એ લખ્યા પછી ધ લાસ્ટ એની નીચે તમે તમારું નામ લખશો. તો સમજી ગયા? સ્ક્રીન ઉપર જોઈ લો. એવો જ એક પત્ર તમારી ટેક્સ્ટબુકમાં એક્ટિવિટી 3 પર આપેલો છે. એ ધ્યાનથી જુઓ અને સાંભળો.
Tina lives in a town called Halol. It is surrounded by small villages and it is not far from Vadodara. Last month, Tina visited a village fair near Halol. After a few days, she visited a trade fair in Vadodara. She wrote a letter to her friend Meena, who lives in Bhuj.
Halol, 25th July 2014. Dear Meena, thank you for your letter of 15th July. I was happy to read about your visit to Dholavira. I visited 2 different fairs last month and I want to tell you about them. First, I visited a village fair between Halol and Pavagadh. We went there in an auto rickshaw. There were 2 small temples outside a small village. I went there with my parents. We reached there in the evening. The open ground between the two temples was full of people. There were many shops, toy shops, sweet shops, and a colorful bazaar of household items. Some children were standing in front of a toy shop. They were looking at a small plane. The shopkeeper was showing them the plane. The children laughed with joy and clapped loudly. We also saw a merry-go-round and a giant wheel. The merry-go-round was quite small, but the giant wheel was really huge. The place was full of noise. There were many loudspeakers playing filmy songs. There were many children in the giant wheel. They were shouting in excitement. We saw a juggler too. He was playing with 5 balls and was keeping all of them in the air. It was wonderful. After some days, we visited a trade fair in Vadodara. It was a school trip. We went there on a Sunday. We went by a bus. There was no entry fee. The whole ground was full of large stalls. There were many stalls of electronic goods like TV, VCR, and music systems. The girls on the counters were well dressed. They were answering the questions of visitors with a smile. There was another row of stalls for things like fridge and washing machines. One salesman was demonstrating the use of mixer grinder. 2 young women were asking him some questions. We went round, saw everything. At the other end of the fair, there were some fast food stalls. My friends ordered pizza and I ordered a glass of lassi. We sat down for a while and savored the food. There were a couple of sweet shops, but we did not buy any sweets. We came back in the evening. Okay, I will stop now. Convey my regards to your parents. Yours sincerely, Tina.
Now, read the letter.